Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel. I want to really quickly walk you through this tutorial how to make this birthday flyer. I want to walk you through how you can make this with your smartphone using pixellab and Photoshop. How you can make this from this to this. How you can make it look so neat, so good looking and eye-catching. So without taking much time, we'll dive into the tutorial so that you can learn how you can make this done. But don't continue watching this without encouraging me by subscribing to this channel. I will encourage you to subscribe. It's an encouragement and a support to me also, so that YouTube will see that truly I am providing or producing value that they can extend and share this or recommend the channel to a wider space of people or persons that will be of benefit. So now let's go into the video. Head into my Pixel app. So the first and foremost, I want to make use of this template. This template that Pinterest template, that is the template that makes use of it. In case you will download the Pixel app from Play Store, you may not have this template because I'm using the pro version or the modified version of pixellab. Just want to show you the size so that you can make use of it. The weight is 2744 and the height is 3000, that's 3000. So you can copy this size of the page or the design canvas so that you can duplicate, or you can make use of any that will be convenient for you. So I want to quickly go to my my gallery and import the background that I want to make use of in this design. Alright, to make use of this is the background. So what I'm going to do is to increase it by going to relative size. Good. So I'm going to lock it first off, but I'm going to make use of this thing. But let me lock it. I've locked it. Now I'm going to import my images. Where are they? This one. Let me crop it a little. This one. And then finally this one. Alright, so I'm going to position it. This should be, let me increase the size a little, bring this to this, and it has to be at the front, front to the front. Have to be here, yes. It's going to be here. Let me reduce the size a little, yes. Bring it here. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. Then I will rotate this very image to the other side. Now we'll go to our 3D rotate. I guess let me show you where it is. This one, 3D rotate. Alright, I'm going to play around with my y-axis. You see, you turn the y-axis to the right side to 180 degrees so that it can turn completely facing the opposite angle. And then you bring it below. I'm going to reduce the size to make it smaller. It has to be smaller than this. Place it good. And then this very one, you have to come to the front. Okay. Just make sure I position it at this white region to look as if it's matching on it. Okay. Alright. So now back to my background. I want to copy my background. Copy. So with this, going to my eraser. And then I'm going to increase the size of the eraser and increase the size of the blurring aspect, so that when I am cleaning or erasing it, I'm going to erase the edge, but I want it to have a blurring effect so that it will match with the original background. You will see what I mean. Alright, how to clean this very region. As I'm cleaning it, it is blurring it. You will see how it's going to look like. Alright, I'll leave it this way. Let me see it. Okay, this is how it is. Don't you think? Okay, let me still work on it again. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do in order to make it fit is this. All of these images, I'm going to bring them to the front. So let me highlight and then bring to front. Let me highlight, bring to front, come to the front. No, this one has to go back, not to front. It has to be back of this. It has to be behind. Good. So now this is what we have, and then I bring this back to the position that it's supposed to be. Good. Alright, let me look and see how it is. Okay. Alright. Hope you are following. This has to go down a little. Aha. Good. Aha. Good. Good. So the next thing now is to go to my text, edit, doing this, and then capital letter happy. Okay. So I'm going to spacing. Yes. Spacing. This spacing has to go increase to 100. I want it to be this way. And then I go to my style to bolding it. Then fonts. I want to give it a font. Go to my recent font because I've used a font. This very font, this Montserrat alternate, is the one that I'm going to make use of. Okay. So then I have to rotate it. Let me bring it here. Okay, let me rotate it to vertical. Yes, this should be vertical. Do vertical, horizontal, vertical. Alright. After this rotation, I'm going to increase the size. And then position it here. Hope you are following. Okay. Are you following? Alright. So this way. Let me leave it this way. Then back to my text. And then we bring birthday. Good. Bring it here. I need to bolden it. And if yes, I want to give it a bold font so that it can be a bit bolder. Okay, let me view this. Alright. Okay, so then changing the color, it has to be black. Back to my spacing. Give it a space. Good. And I want to give it a stroke. What I want this stroke to do is I want at the edge part of this write up to have a kind of whitish color on it. So going to stroke, enable it, and then white. You see, I've changed it to white. So I want to decrease the thickness of it and leave it in this region. Then I rotate it. Bring it here. Let's view our original and see how it is. Okay. Bring it here. But I will want to give it more spacing again so that it can fit to what we have originally. Good. Aha. So now I'm going to my stickers. There is this very thing I want to make use of in my sticker. You may not find this sticker in the pixellab that you will download, but in case if you need this premium version, you can just email me. My email, just check my email and email me on a request, or you message me via WhatsApp. Aha, here is it. Okay. So let me bring it close by. I have to reduce the size. Good. Bring it that way. Bring it here. So I have to copy it again so that I can bring it to the other part. Copy. Yes, I copied it. Bring it to the other part. Alright. We're almost through. Now I want to save it. And anytime you are saving your work, remember to save it either on this very way, either you save it very high or you save it as ultra. The reason is because it maintains the quality of your design. If you save it as custom, it may reduce the potency of your design. So now that our work is safe, move ahead to my Photoshop. What this Photoshop is going to do is to enhance the quality of this very design. This is it. Enhance it. You see the previous one I've done. So it's to enhance the quality, to make it look very beautiful and very eye-catching. When you are done with that, you are good to go. You send your work to the client or to whoever that has this work. If I like, I leave it this way. If I like, I increase it to this level. And after then, save your work. So you replicate this design. Don't forget to give a like to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will be learning how to make eye-catching and stunning design that will, make you stand out in the graphic design space. So on your own, you can design. to beautify or to bring out something that you can stand out. I just want to view it. This is the one we did on pixellab for today. Rehearsal, let me say tutorial. This is the one I've done before this one. How you see it? So now let's go and see the one that we just enhanced. This is how it looks like. How do you see it? Wow, this is looking good. So you make sure you get this design. You can get a better background. You can choose another background. But in case you need all these resources, you can message me via WhatsApp or by Gmail so that I can get you these resources. And if you want some premium versions or apps of designs with some little tokens, you can get it at your own comfort or at your own what should I put it? It will come to you directly without a waste of time. So stay tuned and expect another video.